You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Pronunciation for more confusing names. Make sure to stay tuned to the channel. We have many more coming up, especially Vietnamese, so stay tuned to the end of the video. Local Vietnamese, Vietnam pronunciation, Tuyen, Tuyen. In English, it's generally pronounced the English pronunciation Tuyen, Tuyen, from Vietnamese, Tuyen. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.